everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I am Shurmishta. Today I am going to show you how to make this yummy chocolate laddu with just two ingredients at home. So let's get started. So for making this recipe you need two Oreo biscuits and some milk, very little bit of milk. And then just take a mixer grinder and add in the Oreo biscuits into the grinder and then just grind it. And then after grinding it, take a bowl and take it out in a bowl. And then to it add in some milk, very little bit of milk, and then just make it a dough like a consistency. Make sure your hands are clean. When it comes to this kind of consistency, make round balls out of this, like how I am showing you. And your chocolate laddu is ready. So let me show you one more. So this is the final look of my chocolate laddus. I hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe, and if you do try this one, then let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.